The producers wanted a really sexy girl, and I said, I want Sally Field, and they said, well, she's not sexy. And I said, you don't get it. Talent is sexy. You watch somebody really talented. My father used to say, if you watch a man who's a great blacksmith, he's pretty sexy after you watch him do what he does. If you do something, you do it better than anybody else. There's a sexiness about it, and you just fall in love with her. I mean, I did. I mean, and you see it happen on film. I mean, as the movie goes along, we both fell in like, and then we sort of fell in love, and that's like being a little pregnant. No, but you can't be a little in love. I was really in love, and it happened right in that damn car. And I remember I'd be doing my best stuff, you know, trying to get her to go out, and she was doing her very best to shoot me down, and she was winning. And I would look up, and the trouble is you got mics all over the damn car. And I'd look up, and the whole sound department was looking at me, and there was a very famous Jack Sontag was the sound man, and he's done hundreds of movies. He did Bullet and rode around with McQueen in the car and stuff. And he's looking at me, and the whole department's got earphones on. And I know they've got me dialed up, and they're all going, when Jack went, you know, like, you're getting shot down, man. You ain't making no progress at all. And every day I'd be making my pitch in the car. Finally, she said I should go to dinner with me, and I looked at it, and Jack went. But that's what's kind of what makes the movie work on a lot of levels, I think, is that not only you're watching people have a great time, which, if nothing else, we had so much fun on that picture. I'll tell you an interesting thing about the editing of that picture. You know, Hal Needham had never directed a movie. He was my roommate, stuntman, the best stuntman in the world at the time. Came with this idea. I said, Hal, this is a great idea. This is the worst script I've ever read in my life. But I said, I think we can get some people that, you know, that can improvise, and we'll just improvise your idea, you know. And he said, okay. And he said, well, how will I know when to stop? I said, well, good actors know how to bring it to an end, you know, somehow.